Have you ever wondered that why most of you are facing a lot of neck pain, muscle pain, back pain after a very casual and a normal day of a life? Or after using the best possible hair care products in the industry, we all are still facing some or the other hair related issues? Or why many of us are having repeated attacks or viral infections, flus, all of that? It can be because of a very important and a very crucial nutrient deficiency, that is your protein deficiency. Now, many of you must have heard a lot about this nutrient on different health platforms because a lot is being said on different health platforms. But it is a very limited information is being given. Why? Because we all have this wrong idea or a very vague idea that we have to consume protein only either when we are going for your gym, or we have to do some weight trainings, we have to either gain some muscle mass, or we have to lose some weight, because most of the information is limited to these categories only. But believe me friends, protein does a lot more than that on a daily basis to maintain a good health of yours, and today we are going to discuss that only. Hi, this is Nutritionist Sapna, and in this video we are going to talk all about protein. So protein is responsible for the growth, development, maintenance and repair of each and every cell in your body. From your DNA to the largest organ of your body, that is your skin. The collagen that is present in your skin is dependent on the protein intake. The muscle growth, development and repair is again dependent on your protein intake. In fact, the bone health, the overall growth of the bones and the repair of the bones or the healthy bones is dependent on how much protein you're taking on a day-to-day basis. And it has to be taken on a daily basis. Why? Because protein's life in your body is only 1 to 1.5 days. That means within 1 to 1.5 days protein gets utilized, and that's why it has to be replenished on a daily basis. In fact, for your blood formation also you need protein on a daily basis so that all your blood circulation and the formation of the RBCs is happening properly. Your immune system to be boosted or the antibodies to be formed on a regular basis and in a proper basis, you definitely need protein. For your health of your hair, skin and nails, you definitely again require good amount of protein, right? So if you see, there are so many actions or functions happening because of the protein, but most of us forget to take it on a daily basis, right? And this is all because of lack of awareness around this very important nutrient. Especially in India, if you see, only 25% awareness is there around this protein, and 8 out of 10 people are already having a protein deficient diet. And because of this, so many functions are inhibited to be happening properly. In fact, protein is required in every stage of your life, whether it's childhood, whether it's adult stage, whether it's pregnancy, whether it's lactation, and whether it's old age. It is required on a daily basis as well as in every stage of your life. So it's very, very important to consume protein on a daily basis as well as in adequate amount. Now, what is this adequate amount? How much protein is actually required by your body? So if your weight is around 60 kg, so for the survival, for the optimal health, you definitely require 1 gram per kg body weight, and that is very important for all your functions to happen properly. Now, when it comes to protein sources, there are a lot of sources that is having a good amount of protein, both animal sources as well as vegetarian sources. So most of the animal sources are called as complete protein because it gives you all the amino acids, essential amino acids required for your body. When it comes to plant-based protein, you have to take few combinations to complete those combinations of essential amino acid. So what are the sources? Mainly your fish, your egg, your chicken, your pulses, your beans, your soya-based products, your milk and milk-based products. So all these are very easily available protein-rich sources that you can consume on a day-to-day basis. The problem is we don't give much importance to consume this. Now, consuming a plant-based protein helps you get a lot more other benefits also, because definitely if you're consuming a plant-based protein, the risk of getting bad cholesterol or the bad fats is definitely on the lesser side. You get a lot of antioxidants and phytonutrients coming along with the plant-based proteins. It also leaves a lesser carbon footprint, which is very, very good for the environment as well. And you get a lot of vitamins and minerals associated also coming along with a plant-based protein. Now, with all this information given around protein, have you all ever calculated that actually how much you're taking the protein on a daily basis than your actual requirement? So today, I leave you with this question, that are you taking enough? Are you taking sufficient enough, which will help you boost your metabolism and will be adequate to run all your body function? So you should definitely ask this question, Pura padega kya?